So you have got your new Axor Mercury powered by Altor. But you want to know how to set it up, how to connect it with riders, and how to use it well. So let me take you on this journey. So I have with me a helmet where I have removed the paddings already on both the sides. As you can see, there's no padding. And what I'll do, I'll take the circular stickers, I've already have it peeled, put it on this side, and the other one will put it here, right? Now I've got hold of the wire harness with the speakers and the microphone. The one with the longer wire goes into this side, and this sticker, the smaller one, comes in here to attach your microphone. The one with the shorter wire comes in here on this side, which is ideally the right side of your helmet, and here we attach a microphone in this manner so that it reaches near your mouth. So now you have the wire harness entirely set. So we have the Mercury set on the left side of your helmet, and this attachment from your harness goes in here, just like this, and your Mercury is ready to use right now. So to turn on your Mercury, you need to short press the power button for 3 seconds. And when the sign shows blinking, it means it's powered on. So the Mercury is powered on. And for you to start using the intercom, all you have to do is to press this call button once. And as you press the call button, you see the helmet light blinking. So let me show you how to connect two devices, two Mercuries together. Now you have both the devices in a powered on mode. And what you have to do next is to short press this call icon button, which starts off your intercom mode. And you do the same for the next one as well. And once that is done, in either of the devices, you just short press on the helmet button, which is your A intercom. And it goes into this rapid blinking mode and auto connects to the other available device. Now, as you can see, this light, that is helmet on A, device 2, and this is device 1, both these lights are stable. This means that these two devices are now connected to each other and you can have seamless communication. So you have your primary device or device 1 or master device here, and this is device 3 or the third Mercury device which we connect to the ecosystem. So similarly, it's in the powered on mode. What we need to do is to get to the intercom mode and then choose either of this B, C, D or E channels to get connected. So let me activate channel B. And on this device as well, I'll connect B. And now you can see that the channel B on device 1 is now connected to channel B on device 3. So this is your device 1. This now I have brought back the device 2, and this is your device 3. So you can see the B channel of device 1 is connected to the B channel of device 3, the pairing that we did right now. And earlier we had paired channel A, which is the helmet button on device 2, to the channel A on device 1. Now, to shift very easily between riders while on your ride, all you have to do from device 1 is to keep shifting your channels between A, B, C, D, E. Say for example, now I was talking to device 3 with my friend. Now I want to talk to my friend who's on device 2. So I just go back to the helmet button and press it once. And just with the press of a button, it gets connected. So you can see this one, the helmet button on device 2 is connected to this device on helmet 1, and similarly if you have to shift again to B, you just again press B. And now you can see both the devices are on their B channel, so communication between 1 and 3 are seamless now. So it's that simple. So if you have to restart your Mercury device, you have to first put your device in the intercom pairing mode, and that is indicated by the blinking of the helmet button sign. Then you have to press your volume up and volume down button together simultaneously for 10 seconds. On the first 5 seconds, you'll see that the intercom button will blink. And in the next 5 seconds, you'll see all the lights blinking. And once you hold it for 5 seconds more, with a rapid blinking on the helmet sign, your device would get powered off. And this is how you know your device has been reset. So as you know, the Axor Mercury powered by Altor is a universal intercom device, which means it connects to all major brands out there. And today, I'm going to show you a demo of how you can connect your Sena 20S Evo to the Axor Mercury. So all you have to do is to switch on the device first by pressing the jog wheel and the phone button.
Hello.
So you have the device switched on. Similarly, switching on the Mercury just by pressing the power button. Next, all you have to do is to keep a long press on the phone button on the 20S Evo for 5 to 7 seconds. Till you enter this mode where you see the red and the blue LED rapidly blinking, and it says the phone pairing mode. And on the Mercury, first you have to turn on the intercom.
Intercom activated.
And then you have to go into the pairing mode
Intercom pairing.
by a short press on the helmet button.
And paired successful.
Now as you see, this auto connects. And your 20S Evo is now paired with Mercury, and you can seamlessly talk to each other while on the ride.
It's very fine.
So I think now you have got an understanding of how to set the device up, connect to another Mercury, connect to another device, talk to your friends, and also stream music. But if you still have more questions, let us know and we'll be there to help you out. Till then, ride smart, ride safe.